Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Cambridge Proofreading. They're looking for a freelance editing proofreading. It pays up to $30 per hour. Remote-based English language editing work available for experienced, qualified editors. We have a particularly need for editors with backgrounds in business, law, economics, computing, and many other academic subjects. Must hold minimum bachelor's degree. Our editors come from diverse backgrounds and have a broad range of specialisms, but they all share a love of language editing and derive great satisfaction from helping others. All hold a minimum of a bachelor's degree, with the majority having master's degrees or PhDs. They enjoy the sense of freedom that comes with working remotely and setting their own schedules. The perks of working with us. There are a number of attractive benefits to working with us, including but not limited to edit papers and documents from your own areas of interest and expertise. Work from anywhere in the world. Goodbye commute. Retain complete control over your schedule. Work when you want and only when you want. Focus on editing. We take care of client care and logistics so you can concentrate on what you love to do. Receive personalized feedback, training, and guidance to improve your skills. Experience the satisfaction of helping appreciative clients from all over the world. Minimum requirements. Due to the academic nature of our clients' work, we require all of our editors to hold at least a bachelor's degree. To edit for us, you must hold at least a bachelor's degree from a well-respected American, British, or English-speaking university and be able to commit to at least 10,000 words editing per week. Star candidates will possess advanced university qualifications and/or experience in academic editing, publishing, or as university faculty. What we offer in return for your expertise and hard work, we offer average pay of $20 to $30 per hour bi-monthly or monthly, it's up to you. Personalized training and support to improve your skills and efficiency. Access to our knowledge base and licensed software, and flexibility. Your schedule remains your own, provided our minimum requirement of 10,000 words per week is met. How to apply? Click the link below to visit our careers page. You will be required to complete an online quiz that tests your knowledge of the English language. Job types: full-time, part-time, contract. Pay up to $30 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule Monday to Friday. Weekend availability. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.